Those two little holes, there's like weird little it's like sort of like a mesh. Yeah, it just goes through and it's like safe. Good job, Davin. Oh yeah.
Flexing on these haters, that's me.
Sean.
Caleb, Sean. It'll probably take one more time.
Yeah.
You know how the
might.
thing works, the wheel?
Jack.
The wheel for the little wheel up there.
Watch out. Got guys up here lifting up the boat and the tongue so the boat doesn't drag along the concrete and the asphalt. Caleb. You ready?
Hold up. Pull it out. When we drop it. Yeah, come on. I'll pull on.
Clap, everybody. Woo! Yeah.
No, we got this, guys. We got this, Nathan.
Believe, Nathan.
Ready? That's me. One, two. Try again.
Let's just also lift straight up, Caleb, so you see if Caleb can get that jack back down, and then
Okay, lift this.
we'll lift it. 1, 2, up! Hold it, hold it, hold it.
Get it down, get it down.
Okay, bring it this way. Slowly, slowly.
We bent this thing, Doc. Sorry. Yeah, you're over. It's not gonna spin back down.
Okay, oh, that's fine. That's a great thing to be bent. Sweet. Well, let's